Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satil here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. And today I'm gonna show how to repair or how to fix RegSvr32 kernelbase.dll error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and right click, select device manager. In this new window, select display driver or display adapter and select your monitor. In this case, for this tutorial, is an example, VMware SVGA3D. Right click and select update driver. Select the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and select the second option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select any other driver listed in this window. You can try YB1. In my case, for this tutorial, I select this option and click on next. If you screen flashing is normal, you receive this message: Windows has successfully updated your drivers, and click on close. Restore this menu and close. Go to the start menu and select CMD or type CMD and right click in the command prompt and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and type SEFC space / scan no and hit enter. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Wait a moment. When the process is finished, you can close this window and restart your computer. For apply the change, go to the start menu, click on power and click on restart. login in your PC. And I hope to help you in this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.